In the proud village of Igbodo Hills, nothing traveled faster than two things: gossip and the talking drum. And the master of that drum was a skinny, cheerful man named Bala the Beater. Nobody called him by his real name anymore, because when Bela touched the drum, even secrets started sweating. Bela's talking drum was famous. It could imitate voices. It could send messages across farms. It could even call goats home, though the goats sometimes ignored it. But Bela had one small problem. He liked adding small pepper to messages. Just small. Very small. Enough to make things interesting. One year, the village prepared for the new Yam Festival. There would be dancing, wrestling, singing, and, most importantly, public praise. Every family wanted to be recognized. Every title holder wanted louder applause than the next person. Jealousy was already warming up like a football team. During rehearsal, Bela beat the drum. Chief Okori says his barn is the biggest in the land. People know that. That was normal. Then Bela added a playful extra rhythm, and others should come and learn how to work. The crowd went, "Oop." Chief Okori blinked. "I did not say that part." Bela smiled innocently. "The drum might have interpreted your spirit." The crowd laughed, but some people did not. Later, Bala played another message. "Mama F soup is the sweetest in the village. Cheers." Then, unlike some watery attempts nearby, now Mama Hingosi folded her arms. "Oh, he's watery." "See? Demande." People started side-eyeing each other. The drum sat there like it knew exactly what it was doing. Soon, small pride became big tension. Farmers compared harvests. Women compared cooking. Youth compared strength. Even two old men argued about whose cough sounded more important, all because of small additions from the drum. The oldest elder, Papa Nwankwo, watched quietly. He called Bala. "My son," he said, "does your drum speak truth or trouble?" Bala laughed. "It only repeats what people already feel." The elder nodded slowly. "That is why it is dangerous." On the main festival day, the entire village gathered. Drums echoed. Dancers jumped. Crowds cheered. Then Bela stepped forward with his famous talking drum. He cleared his throat dramatically. Everyone leaned closer. Bela began. "Today, we celebrate unity. Beautiful. Beautiful." Then the drum continued, even though many here are secretly competing. People shifted uncomfortably, then it went further. Some smile in public, but count another man's blessings at night. Gasps. Sides multiplied. Someone dropped their cola nut. The elder raised his hand. Enough. Silence fell. He stepped forward and said, "This drum did not create jealousy. It only exposed what was hiding." The words landed heavy. People looked down. Even the proud ones. For the first time, Bala looked nervous. "I only wanted to make people laugh," he sighed softly. The elders smiled. "Omori's good, but truth without wisdom becomes fire." Bela bowed. From that day he made a promise. The drum would speak, but only to unite, not to divide. From 10 on the talking drum announced births, weddings, harvest celebrations, community help days, and something beautiful happened. Applause became louder. Jealousy became quieter. Laughter returned. Whenever someone started comparing themselves too much, people would tease, "Should we call Bela's drum to announce your competition?" Everyone would laugh immediately. Tension gone. Jealousy often hides behind smiles. Sometimes it takes a mirror or a talking drum to reveal what is inside. But the real strength is not being better than others. It is celebrating others without losing your own joy. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more.